How to check steps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the health application on your phone. The iPhone's built-in health application is a central hub for your health and fitness data, allowing you to track a wide range of health metrics, manage medical information, and share it with others. It collects data from various sources, including your Apple Watch and other third-party apps, and presents it in an organized dashboard format. On this page, scroll down to the Pin section and go to Steps. You can view your steps for the day over here. You can also choose to view your total steps for the whole week or month or even year from the options above. Scroll down to view the highlights. Following these steps, you can easily check steps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.